So for all of no vendetta fan, we say vendetta. Yeah, no artist bad, but me can't give him the big respect where if you get, cause me never yet seen come out here come call a man name. A peer shades.
A few moments later.
Man, Alkaline, you're next pussy clot one too. Top show shades, brother. You're a big man now, you know. At 2026 now. Top show fucking shades.
2,000 years later.
Class. So just left your war thing, popcorn. Yeah, man, the war thing no make for you, car. First of all, Alkaline rub you out already and we rub you out again.
One eternity later.
Alkaline been a say somebody for this, you know. But me there say I wonder too. You can't diss somebody, bro. Me can't. I want to come tell me about in the shit, in the charge out, Masicka. Call name and name we are work with charge. If you want to war, man, stop it bitch behavior, dog. Some bitch behavior, no.
A few moments later.
Me need somebody who got this Alkaline right now. Like somebody who got this Alka, bro. Yeah, bro. Brawling, brave, so with them chest up in the ear, bro. But just bumbo clad. Family and Masicka war done too fast. Alka.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Only thing me can say, Alkaline was right when he say a be a idiot. Now watch them. A be a idiot the internet run with.
You remove your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Go on. See a crooks man run out, you know. Yeah, man, a crooks man run out, man. A bag of thing him attack. You understand? But look, you know, undercover fans and their style too, you know. Yeah, man. But you don't know Media Fox thing set already. You see me? We have to show up them people, yeah. Is it? Yeah, man. Cause you don't know. Yeah. Something with them say. Okay, we not make them get to it. Is it? Yeah. So, listen what I say.
Tell you the truth. I couldn't say vendetta. If me that said vendetta back then, I couldn't say no if I was a vendetta fan. Yeah, because obviously, me would not say my artist are one of the baddest artists. But yet still, 2025, New Year's I still a true shades. Come on. We're bigger than that. We're older than that. We're more mature than that. So for y'all no vendetta fan, we say vendetta. You know artist bad, but I can't give him the big respect where if you get, because me never yet seen come out here come call a man name. A peer shades.
Brother, right now, popcorn, what do you mean by shit? Tamily, Alkaline go on Sunfest, this Tamily brawling. When I baddest this song in a dancehall history, Alkaline, this up popcorn, flopcorn, everything, microwave. Bro, everybody know that. The six them, the ticks them dead off. Bro, Alkaline been calling name, bro. You understand? Been calling name. So, I don't know what you mean by that. You see, it might have dropped him little subs now. But remember, you know, a lot of people, remember say, I don't hear the thing them, right? Some of the thing them I feel like say, yo, this your artist. And remember say, Alkaline never found out and say nothing, you know. Alkaline couldn't attack anybody. You understand? So, I use that all the time to say, yo, I be a shades. Can remember now, so Alka make on the day and I think, yo, who him attack? This, that. Brother, more while, you don't understand, bro. You see me? Remember Alkaline followed up and say, yo, who want him a war? Like, him and them have what? You see me? Masicka not brave up. We don't know that. You see me? Him not brave up. Is it? Yeah, remember say Masicka say crooks. Seeing the swamp. If Alkaline post swamp, where him need for come. The man show a swamp, bro. That's crooks that. We're crocodile then in a swamp. So what you mean? Bro, no love when man call when a name, bro. I'm mad man, brother.
Me never seen come out and say, yo, suck pussy cartel, suck pussy family, suck pussy this.
What you mean? The man this time leap on stage. Remember man say, yo, nah getting a pussy out of the palma. You better hold a corner. Brother, when cartel they are prison, brother. Come on, bro. I don't know what no one Alkaline say. You see it?
Me never seen this no man brawling, brother. So no artist bad. But then I'm song them. At this moment, them two songs they way drop. If a Alkaline you go after boy, me tell you, that is
people. The man I say Alkaline. No, not throw shades, you know. Like a be a shades in my throw scene. But here where am I gonna say another video?
A fucking suicide mission in itself, you know. You see me? Worst thing, Popcorn, we know you're not clash artist. We accept say you're great and we accept say you have a big caliber tune and people they love you, girl them love you, thugs they rate you. But if a Alkaline you try bait into a war, boy, that is a fucking suicide, my friend. You see me? And if a Masicka you shoot after, boy, me can tell you say just left that alone to you, man. Cause boy Popcorn, you know, make for war. Ayash, this man in a song. Left that thing there, man. Alkaline, you're the next pussy clad one too. Top show shades, brother. You're a big man now, you know. At 2026 now. Top show fucking shades. If you want this a man, this a man. Your fans them say you're body thing. And you're not blood clad, this nobody, but you want people this year.
Bro, I'm gonna tell you about them crooks, man, you know. Brother, una wet bread, bro. Remember the interview with Beanie Man and a brother from overseas and Masicka. And the comment go say, yo, when them are gonna get the clash with you and Alkaline, Masicka sit down in a chair like a little fool, so in a chair, so like a little youth. You understand? A Beanie Man have to answer him. Masicka afraid, dog. When Beanie Man say, that pass, him get up like a little sissy. Yo, see there, hear King talk. Anything where King say. When the question asks, you know, him quiet in him chair, no. Nah, say nothing. As Beanie Man say something, brother, coward that. Some don't know where you are talking about, bro. If you check it, Masicka no call name, bro. We know Alkaline call name, call Cartel name. Him call Popcorn, the six them. What you talking about? Bro, you're sick in your head, brother. You see it? You're sick in your head, fam. Me no know of Masicka. Masicka not call nobody name, bro. In a song. Him not do that. You see me? If actually look at Tamil eating, before that him never do nothing, bro. Never do nothing, fam. Too much people run out for Masicka. Him not say nothing. So, brother, Masicka show you biggest shades, bro. What you talking about? You're sick in the head, man.
Who is you? Boy Popcorn, me rate you as an artist, but he clash thing left your father. Leave it alone. If a Alkaline you want war, or if a Masicka you want war, left the war thing the charge. We rate you as an artist, but it truth I truth. You know, Bill, you know make for war. Yeah, we get a hit song out of war, yes. We can't deny that and you're full of hits and you're full of your caliber big. But the war thing there, I just not for you. Because if you step to Alkaline, you go dead again.
Boy, look at one those attacks straight a while ago. Now I'm gonna say yo, if Popcorn say to Alkaline, I'm gonna go dead again. Eh? So how you know? How you know say Popcorn and Alkaline? You say Alkaline show be a shades and you no call nobody name. How you say yo Alkaline go about Popcorn again? If Alkaline not call on him or what? Eh? Yo, the man a fool always a ricochet himself in the dog. Me I tell you.
And next time, this a time a Cartel have to come rescue you. And if Cartel come rescue you, this a time a boy king of dancehall have to go put up. You see me? Because either Alkaline or Masicka go take it. But if you rush Masicka, boy, that is a different problem again to blood class. So just left your war thing, Popcorn. Yeah, man, the war thing don't make for you. First of all, Alkaline rub you out already and he will rub you out again. And if Cartel jump out this a time and dead again, boy, I don't know. Alkaline, maybe not say somebody for this, you know. But me there, son, I wonder too. You can't diss somebody, bro. Me can't, I want to come tell me, but in the shit, in the charge out, Masicka. Call name and name we are work with charge. If you want to war, man, stop it bitch behavior, dog. Some bitch behavior on our charge.
But brother, Alkaline drop a song. Who know speculate, you know? Only know say Alkaline want war somebody. Eh? Remember, you know, bro, Alkaline a sing a song, you know, it could have been one and close friend, it could have been anything, bro. Anybody in this world it could have been, brother. But through the speculation, you know, feel like, cause this are the thing, you know, people. Remember say Alkaline have sang Pudong, right? Alkaline maybe I'll do this a song before I'll Masicka war them, bro. And that them not realize, you know. That song you good as all maybe I'll do before the war. And when Alkaline drop it now, just because the war ready and them a call up Alkaline name, them might feel, say, yo, at this, yo, he might come forward after that. But it good for dancehall. You understand? It will bring a controversy about a talking it good. But the song good as all do before the before the clash. But cheap drop after the clash now. A bag of thing attack. I don't know, bro. You see me? Remember, you know, brother, I don't know Alkaline and meds. At that, you know. So one of my things say, yo, at this the man I talk about. It's the only Alkaline can tell you what I talk about.
The whole like dancer artist they may talk to.
Come out on no hot girl era. Come out on no girlish era, charge it. Oh, me not call no man name, but you show subliminal. My youth, if you don't have song with subliminal, go dash with them there. 2026, we are going to a new year, you know. Call name if a war, you know. Stop shades a man and a bait a man for answer. You know a fish charge it. A fish a man alone bait things in a charge it. The bomb.
So, wait, me not understand that. So, you are say a man a sing, me don't know what you mean by bait. You go say, so if a man call name, him a no fish. But if a man a sing a song and a bag of speculation aim, wanna feel like say you aim to a certain artist, him a fish. Me not understand that, bro. A man a call man name would a more for be a fish. I saw me know it. So una look on it the wrong way.
Call name, bro. 1 year a man say, oh, all pussy. You know, Alkaline, you have to go come with something better than that, my father. You have to go come with something better than that. This 2026 just start and we can't bother with the fuckery. Yeah, man, the bag of shades business. If you are combo artist, father.
And that's why Alkaline say, no emotion. Designer from it to toe fam. You understand? No service. I think it's a joke.
Don't like bring up like Tamil. I'll call out Masicka if Masicka you want to call out. For Cartel you want to call out, put some froggy or behind bars or some boy back there fist at the palm. Put something in it. We can't bother with this blood clash shades and thing this year, bro.
People, you hear what I'm say? Adi Palmer, the same thing with Alkaline singing and I feel like. You understand when they must say, yo, nah, you're not pussy Adi Palmer. But you see him one say, I be a shades him through him now call on an artist. When you just quote a line a while ago.
When I work with an artist, no shades, no artist, I remember they suppose on my brain. I pussy on my brain rotten already. By be a spliff. But me I say, Chargy, please, don't nobody come with this subliminal thing. Can't take it. Me I feel say, oh, I mean or nobody with that a bomb. Only thing me can say, Alkaline was right. When he say a be a idiot, now watch them. A be a idiot the internet run with. I'm not a joke, dog.
Yo, this funny, you know. Imagine we man attack one bag of crap a while ago, then him found out and say, yo, Alkaline say I be a idiot. Yo, it just so like say him I one of the idiot them too. Jaja yo.
Bumbo clot. Yo, he dog the right. He dog the right, man. He dog the right. He dog the right. The fuck. Me I tell you say he dog the right. No, me see why he dog just hold in one and just lock off over one part and just taste a baff over this dog. Because boy oh boy, this clash with Masicka versus the Gaza and one, bro. At first, me see so much man love man to bumbo clot.
You so life funny, but him want Alkaline for call man name, you know. Yo, dog, what are his five on the media and flap on yourself, yo? Jado, bro, better just lock off the camera, dog. I don't know the sense, I tell you though.
Man, them man you come like they no love boy, I know me see where woman them a cuss about to pussy clot. Them man I love man more than themselves. I love man more than bumbo clot than one man charge it. I be a batty boy. But this Alkaline dog.
People, yeah man, desperate, you know, bro. You understand, man? Remember, you know, man is a crooks fan, you know. Seeing? And the man not even enjoy the war with him and Tamil, you know. Man come out and crash out, say, yo, somebody this Alkaline, no. Brother, I sure say, yo, your artist not ready, brother. Your artist not ready. But you want Alkaline to call Masicka name, and you know him not ready. You say clash him. Listen, people.
Man, it's wonderful got this Alkaline right now. If I even insist, I got this all carry, bro. Somebody need to got this carry, bro. Yeah, dog. And when then this carry, I don't want intense answer, I don't want knocks answer. Alkaline want answer that. Somebody forgot this Alka, bro. Yeah, bro. Brawling brave so with them chest up in a ear, bro. But yo, just got this Alka, bro. Brawling, dog. Yeah, dog. Just go call him. Just drop a line in one song and say, pussy Alkaline. Yeah, dog. Just like that, bro. Yeah, dog. A long time I get some bad man bumbo class state of emergency. Most wanted and then tune the dog. Ricochet. Dog, somebody this Alka, bro. Bumbo clot. Tamil and Masicka were done too fast. Alka.
Yo, dog.
Tell the truth.
Yo, that dancehall nice people, man. I tell you, dancehall nice. Love it when the man them fall by the media and clown out themselves, you know. Yeah, man. Clown out themselves, dog. A bag of chatting and nonsense. You see me? Yeah, man. But people, big up on yourself, you know. No media facts go to work already. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up for the respect for the support. You see it? Yeah, man. We're on the way to 4,000 subscribers. You see me? You don't know a thing set. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself for your support. You see me? Yeah, man. You don't know a thing set. Media facts. That is it.